Hey, I'm about to head to the garden center to get a new climbing rose for my balcony. I have this one spot on my balcony where I think a beautiful climbing rose would be perfect. So join me and let's go to the garden center. Quite a large rose selection here at the garden center. I see roses that are for ground cover mostly, miniature roses down there, but what I'm looking for are like climbing roses. Let's walk around the corner. Oh yes, down here. So we have quite a large variety: Florentina, Purple Splash, Rhapsody in Blue, Mazarica. So I'm looking for a rose with a purple, pink, red color, something along those lines. So not really looking for yellow or green. And I want them to be heat resistant, not requiring too much water, and ideally also pollinator friendly, because quite a few of these roses aren't pollinator friendly, like this rose or this. I mean, they're gorgeous, just yeah, I have to look for this sign that they're bee friendly. And this means that there are a couple of options for me. Veilchenblau, both heat tolerant and drought tolerant and pollinator friendly. Then Rhapsody in Blue or Purple Splash. So let me think about it. I think I'm gonna go for the Purple Splash because I already have the Clematis the President, which has this dark purple, pretty vibrant. So I think it's too similar to the Rhapsody in Blue and the Veilchenblau over there. And yeah, I think this is different enough with this very unique pattern of the and coloring of the bloom. Yeah, so I think that's gonna be my choice. It's not scented unlike the Rhapsody in Blue, but that's not the most important aspect for me anyway. It's mostly about the look. So yeah, I'm gonna choose this one. And it looks really healthy. This is the corner that I talked about at the beginning of the video, and I moved the larger pots a little bit to the left, so now I have the climbing rose Purple Splash tucked in behind here. This should give it plenty of room to climb along this balustrade, this metal glass balustrade. And what I'm hoping for is that while the rose climbs from the right hand side, the Clematis the President, beautiful purple Clematis, will climb from the left hand side, and they will meet somewhere in the middle. And yeah, the flowering current is beautiful at the moment. And yeah, I think the purple of the Clematis and the climbing rose, yeah, should be beautiful, but I don't think the flowering currant will bloom at that point anymore. I have another rose down here. This is a Ville Roux, which is going to be red, and then miniature lilac on the left, which is going to be purple as well. Okay, now let's plant this rose. It's not very deeply rooted, as you can see. I mean, there's this one larger taproot. It's a little bit difficult to see because it's quite dark, but yeah, otherwise not a lot of roots. I watered in the rose, so now it's time to free it from its plastic clippings. Let me see. There. And is there anything else? Oh yes. Now it is free, it can fully unfold and it can find its way along the balustrade here. It's not tall enough yet to train it along the balustrade, but yeah, I think as soon as it grows a little bit more, I will train it along the metal railing. Anyway, thank you for joining me on my trip to the garden center and finding this beautiful rose down here. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon. Bye bye.